So here's how to clear cache and junk files in Windows 11. First, you'll need to right click on the Windows Start button and then open Settings. And now from Settings, you want to go to System and then Storage. So it will look like this: System and Storage. And now in here, you should scroll down till you see Cleanup Recommendations, then click on it, and it will tell you spaces available that can be cleaned up. So you can check the downloads in here. You can check Recycle Bin to empty the Recycle Bin, and then System Recovery Log Files. Make sure you check them. You can also click on See Advanced Options, and it will allow you to select more options, for example, temporary files and cache files and all of these extra things that we don't need. You can simply then click Remove Files in here. So I'm going to click Remove Files and then Confirm Continue, and this will warn you that it includes downloads that you might need. In my case, I don't need them, so I'm going to click Continue. And I'm going to wait for it to remove these files. Now once it's completed like that, I have claimed back or recovered about 40 gigs of space that was occupied by cache files and junk files and temporary files that no longer needed. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.